The Tales of Tiggy and Tobias, Neon Jiggles is part of a series of books about two brother sea cats. Every sea cat knows that after a hurricane has passed, the sea lays still in tranquility and beckons to explorers. Beneath the stirred-up sands and exhausted waves, treasures are waiting to be found. Tiggy and Tobias get geared up for a day of snorkeling. Feeling anxious for the many sea trinkets they might find, they are unaware of what is lurking in the waters near them. Little do they know, they are about to encounter a mysterious creature and embark on an exciting journey to a deep, dark place they thought could only be visited in their imagination.